Alrighty, here we go. Got my zero turn 54-inch Husqvarna there. I gotta open this here trailer gate. Someday. An acre. Alright. Okay. Let's see, here's the problem. Those mulching leaves. Got a bearing going out right here. You can see it. That one right there. Look at that. She gone. So I gotta pull that pulley off and see if we can replace it. See if I can find one in my boneyard. Okay. Okay. Got me my 9/16 on. Oh, wait. Don't roll on me, baby. Bearing's gone. He spin the other ones. Sounds okay. That ain't too bad. Oh, I wonder why that one went bad and the other ones sound good still. Weird, ain't it? Alright, let's go see if we can find one in my boneyard. Okay. I had one in my shop. I got a Craftsman toolbox that I got from somebody. And I get people give me lawnmowers. And I strip them down, take parts off of them, save a bunch of parts. There's a freak over there. What he's looking for. I found this one. Hey, there's a spacer I was looking for. But it's too thick. I'll say that. But the only difference is a little bit of thickness is different, but if I line it up with the pulleys, it should work. The belt always ran right there in the middle anyway. See the line on it where it ran? This is a used one I got in my garage. We'll see how long it lasts. To make up the difference on the shaft I got near the bolt that goes on, I brought out these two nuts that I slide over it, and this one here. Two of them was too thick, but one of them just right. It's the pulley right where it needs to be. So let's put her on there. This is just a, it's not the tensioning pulley, it's back here. right here. This is a tensioning pulley. I don't know what you call that pulley. Idler pulley, I guess. I'm just going to use the same nut it had. Tighten that baby down. Not the quietest one in the world, but she's got some life left in her. She's gonna live a little longer. Let's see this belt. Still got pretty good tension on the belt. Oh yeah. Let's try it out. I was waiting on the deck, going it sucked up underneath there. Let's run it without the shield on it. We'll see. I'll let y'all see. I gotta undo my motor. I gotta lay this stuff on my motor. Keep it dry. I won't start because the coils are getting wet. They need to be. I'm gonna try to repaint them with some from shellac. Notice this in here has a little bit of wobble in it. Might have bent blade. Could have bent shaft. So there it is. That's what you can buy, use. You can just pick up lawnmowers on people's trash and people are throwing them away. There it is in there. Actually, I think it's the same size on the inside, just ain't got as big a flange on the outside. So, she's working. I'm happy with it. Fixed for free. Just a little bit of time. Am I even recording? Oh yeah. Here's the old one. I'm gonna try to get this here spacer off this and save it. This here pulley's seen better days. Anybody want to buy a pulley with a hole in it? We could use that maybe though. I might be able to make a. Nah, it ain't strong enough. I was gonna think I might be able to make a snatch block out of it. But my 12-ton winch should probably tear it all to hell. Hello, everybody! Oh, man. Get over here to Mr. Vice. Am I on there, Mr. Vice? Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can get this little dude out of here. There's a washer. Not really. I don't know what that is. I think I'm going to try to knock off that inner race. We'll try it with a baby hammer first. Baby hammer, doo 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 doo. She got hot, boys and girls. I think I see a little bit of a gap starting to tear. I'll go the wrong way. I think that's a. I think I need to drive that off out of there. Let me see if I can do it this way. Oh, I ain't gonna do nothing. I need to lock this in. No. I need to beat that race off this shaft. It's a shaft. I'll be lucky to get that off there. I'm gonna have to do something different here. I'm gonna have to put this in here like this. Oh, you stupid radio. Messing up my video. Poor Rudolph. Reindeer games. Dang it.
All I want is to set a spacer off at this day so I could use it on another one someday. It looks like it got pretty hot. I don't know why, but I'm talking like Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna turn off this radio because it's gonna mess up my production. I'm gonna unplug you, Rudolph.
Ooh. This is starting to make me mad. I'm gonna tighten this bitch. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Actually moving it is bad. Let me go get it a little bigger. We'll just keep hitting it with this one. Oh yeah, she's moving, boys. She's moving. She likes that one.
Friend tonight.
We almost got it out of there. It's really about to make me cry. Ow. Finally. This is what I was after. That's a pretty nice little spacer right there. It's got a... This side's bigger than this side. And a little thicker than this side, but the hole going through the middle is the same. So this one will go into my parts box. It's not a toolbox, it's a parts box. It used to be a toolbox, but now it's a parts box. Just for lawnmower parts. That's a inner race of a lawn of this hair bearing was on that, and I knocked her off there so I could shave this. You never know. I could use this to make a. I may use it someday for something. I don't know. You never know when you got lawnmowers what you're gonna need. And that was free. That's all I'm gonna do for this video. Hope you like it. Got any questions or comments? Leave me a comment. I'll talk to y'all later.